my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my first CauseBox. This is the fall welcome box. If that sounds interesting, stick around, see what I've got. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you're not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, like I wasn't until recently, CauseBox is a seasonal subscription box, meaning it comes out 4 times a year and includes 6 to 8 products. And those products are community-focused, ethically made, environmentally conscious, and impact-driven. You can join as a quarterly member and you pay $54.95, and that reserves you 1 box at a time up front, or annually, you pay $199.80 to reserve all 4 core boxes up front. That works out to be $49.95 per box as opposed to $54.95 if you do it 1 box at a time. And annual members also get the option to customize their choice items in their CauseBox each season, in addition to the discount you get for making that longer term commitment. Now, their seasonal boxes do tend to sell out fairly quickly. So if you are interested in getting a box, you do want to get in pretty quickly. However, they do have the welcome box, which serves as a replacement for the current seasonal box, or in my case, replacing the fall box. And it is the first box you receive if you join after the current seasonal box sells out. The welcome box is a curation of the CauseBox team and the community's favorite products from past boxes, as well as favorites from the most recently sold out box, and new exclusives from most highly reviewed companies that they've partnered with. And just like the seasonal boxes, you can expect to find $200 plus worth of products in your welcome box. They say it's often much more than that. So let's check out and see what we've got in the welcome box. First, just look at the box itself. Isn't that beautiful? Each season they work with a different artist to design their box, so every box is different. And I happen to think this one is really gorgeous and beautiful for fall. Inside you do receive a magazine. Let's see if I can get that all in the frame. And again, this is the fall welcome magazine. You get a letter from the editor-in-chief, and then inside you've got a look at what's in the box, and then there are a bunch of articles. There is an interview with the artist who did the box, and then some stories about some of the products or the brands that are in the box that season. I think this is pretty cool. And then you also have some discount codes for products that were in your box or were available as customization choices in the box. So I really like this as it is. I like the magazine. So that's a really good start. So let's open it up and see what I've got. Inside there's tissue paper and a little sticker holding it all together. It's very nicely done. Okay, and the first thing we've got is actually a card. It's actually a postcard that you could use. It appears to be drawn by the same artist, which is really cool. It is Cynthia Kittler. So you could certainly use this as a postcard. I actually think this would be really great thing to just frame. I think it'd be really pretty wall art. So I'm happy about that, and that's a little, bonus extra item. So the first choice item, because I signed up for a year, I do get to choose some of my items. If you sign up just 1 box at a time, they do choose for you. So my first items, I had a choice between a tote from a brand called Pixie Mood or a set of 3 nesting bowls by Pepper and Vetiver. And I chose the nesting bowls, so let's check them out. Sorry, my dog is coming back and forth underneath me, so if you hear little pitter-patters, that's what it is. So here is the box from Pepper and Vetiver. And on the back, you can see it is a set of 3 nesting bowls, salad size, cereal size, it's a salad, cereal, and dessert. It says more than 130 million girls are out of school. This product supports the Malala Fund, a nonprofit working to ensure every girl can learn and lead. Okay. You got me already. I haven't even opened the box, and I'm happy with it. The dog is very interested in this, so she may put an appearance. This is the small bowl. Hopefully you can see that beautiful sea green. It's beautifully painted. This is the small one. And, sorry, the puppy is, you may just see her head. She's right here, so she may poke her nose up. Here's the middle size, which is a lovely blue. And then the large one. These are gorgeous. These are actually a lot prettier than I was even hoping. So, CauseBox lists the value of these as $36, but they're actually listed on the Pepper and Vetiver website. There she is. Hi, sweet pea. You want to see the bowls? And they're listed on the Pepper and Vetiver website for $49. So, CauseBox is underselling themselves on this, but I'm really, really happy with these. What do you think? Okay, for item number 2, our choices were from Volume, their Love Scrub, from Alt Cooking Hubs, some silicone food cover set, the Green Company's set of 10 reusable facial rounds, and from Tribe Alive, a rose gold crisscross cuff bracelet. Initially, my first thought was the rose gold crisscross cuff bracelet, but I was not able to verify the what the metals were inside, and I have an allergy to nickel, so I have to be very, very careful what metals I do and don't use on my that have any contact with my skin, or I'm going to get a pretty terrible rash, and it's very unpleasant for everybody. So I wasn't able to easily, I'm sure if I contacted the company and whatever I could have, but I honestly didn't want to put that much work into it, and it didn't mean that much to me. So I went ahead and I chose the Volume Love Scrub. They say that this is a 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliant. This is not a brand I know, but I know I can always count on skincare or makeup if it's something that I get it and I decide that before I open it that it's not for me, that I know plenty of people that would love to give it a good home. So I went ahead and went with the skincare item, and this has a retail value of $56. Okay, our third item, our choices included from Core Bamboo, a bamboo serving set, or from Mira, a stainless steel nesting container set. And I chose the bamboo serving set, and it's got the cutting board and then a little set of whatever these things are that I can't come up with a name for, and a little spatula thing. Hopefully you can see that. I didn't find this set available at retail as a set, so it is possible that this is exclusive for CauseBox. And now that I look at it, even the UPC says CauseBox Bamboo Serve Set, so it does sound like they did put this set together specifically for CauseBox. But based on the prices of other items and sets by this company, I am absolutely comfortable with the $35 value that they give it. So item number 4 was an item that everybody received, but annual members had a choice of colors. From PMD, the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I'm going to turn it this way so you can get more of it on the screen. Colors were berry, teal, or navy, and obviously I chose berry, just because to me it was more fall. I know we received one of these in a box before. I think I gave it away because I was like, didn't do anything, but this time I think I'm more inclined to try it. Because at the time I was not taking skincare nearly as seriously as I am now, so I'm going to do some more research into this. But if I find that I still have the other one, which would mean that I've taken it out of the box and stuff, I will keep this one in the box until I double check and make sure, so that, because if I've already opened that one, I will keep that one and put this one in a giveaway. But these retail for $99. I know we've seen them in other boxes, but you know, skincare is never a bad thing, so not unhappy with that even a little bit. Number 5 is again an item that everyone received. This is from Swell, and this is the 17-ounce insulated bottle. There appear to be, and I actually counted, 96 different colors and patterns available on the Swell website for this. But they did say that there were several designs available in the boxes, and you were going to get just at random. And I've got, well, it's purple. Let's see, what do they call this? Sub Rose. If you can see, it's got some purples and sort of rose pinks, and very cool. It's almost camouflage, but I don't know if you would actually call it camouflage because I don't know exactly what camouflage is. Stainless steel drinking bottle, what's not to like? And it's insulated. These 17-ounce bottles retail for $35. Okay, our last item is apparently from Way of Will. Although I don't see it anywhere on the box, but I'm going to take their way. There it is, Way of Will. Brightening Face Serum. This is not a brand I've heard of. It says it's got marula, black currant, and carrot. This is all Way of Will face serums are lightweight, vitamin-rich, and easily absorbed to promote moisture and prevent dehydration. Brightening formula is particularly high in vitamins A and C, which help brighten, tone, and revitalize the skin's complexion, while reducing dark spots and repairing damaged tissues and scars. Great for sensitive skin, this formula will improve elasticity as it softens and soothes the face. Okay, very simple bottle, but I do like a brown bottle for these kind of products because I think, is it vitamin C that you need to have protected from light? I don't know, somebody tell me down below. Anyway, this serum, like I said, I don't know the brand. If you do, let me know. But the serum has a retail value of $37.50. Okay, so that was my box. That was my 6 items. Again, the cost on this is $49.95 because I have an annual subscription. And the total retail value per CauseBox was $298.50. Based on the prices that I found, it was actually $311.50. So either way, I did go back and looked at the choice items just to see what the total would have been if you chose the items with the least value in each category, just to see. And even if you chose the items that were the lowest value of the items that you got to choose, still would have had $235.45. So still well over their $200 promised value. I think I got some really good items, and I also found some great companies to look into, which is something I'm very excited about because I like when the companies are about more than just making a profit. So if you subscribe to CauseBox, let me know down below, or if you've heard of any of these companies. I'd love to know your thoughts on this subscription box and on these products, and whether you have subscribed to CauseBox or even heard of it. Like I said, this is a new one for me. I've seen 1 or 2 other people unbox it, but before that I'd never heard of it before. So let me know what you think. Leave me any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.